Hey everybody, so look, it's the one-man drywall army, and today's video I'm going to show you guys a trick that I use to putting down carpet shield super fast. You're not on your knees. Well, you at some point you will be on your knees, but you're not on your knees the whole time. So and I'm telling you, you're going to appreciate this one tip. If you ever find yourself in a position where you're putting on carpet shield, just remember this video, okay? All right, there you go. So look, if you start to go a little bit to the left or right, you can control it by bumping the opposite side. You can actually control it like a steering wheel. So as you can see, it's pretty fast, and I sure hope you can find that useful. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.